Hi everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So disclaimer, as always, I do have Rocky, my little bulldog, laying next to me at the moment. So if you do hear any noises out of the ordinary, that is just him. But of course, very exciting video. As you can tell by the title, this is a Kmart haul. Now, I actually wasn't going to film this video, and I have used some things, but I kept on going back and picking up different things, and I had to show you guys. So if you want to see what is new in store, definitely keep watching, because there are some amazing things that I feel like I've picked up. Some very basic things, but also amazing things. So starting with super boring, I picked up another lint roller. So if you are looking for lint rollers, these are in the pet section. That is my biggest tip. Check the pet section, because I walked around the store for so long and then found them there. So I think this is around $1.50. Excuse me. Again, this is a very random haul. I got oven mitts. Now, I have had my previous oven mitts for a very long time, and as soon as I saw these with little dogs all over them, I wanted them so badly. So these are $2 each. They do come in like tea towels as well, but I wanted just the oven mitts, so grab those. They were $2 each. I don't know if I just said that. This candle, so I have started burning it. This is, I want to read you what it is so I do not get it confused. So this is the Bergamot and Amber Curved Handle Fragrant Candle. So this is $12. I really love the design, and this smells so incredibly good. So if you are into candles, 100% check this out. I would smell this every time I went into Kmart, and I'm obsessed. It's almost like a sexy man. Like, it is so amazing. If you've smelt this or have this, let me know your thoughts. I do want to say, when I burn it, it's not that strong. So that's the only downfall. Like, it really doesn't fill your room, unfortunately, but still so good. Really random, but I had to pick this up. So this is actually a Christmas item. So this is the 3-pack of Christmas Foodie Faves candles. So this is the Christmas Cookie, Gingerbread Kiss, and Peppermint Candy Cane candles. This, I don't know, it was just randomly on a shelf for $1.50. So literally 50 cents a candle. So I thought 100% I'm grabbing it. As a candle obsessed girl, I need that. This photo frame, now it obviously does have a photo in it. I just cannot be bothered taking it out. So this, I actually had an idea to do like a photo wall, but in the end I didn't love it. So I have just this with a small version on a console table in my house. These frames are fantastic because they aren't like a plasticky perspex. They're not actually glass, so if for whatever reason it does fall, it's not going to smash everywhere, which obviously with a child now definitely matters. I think they're such a beautiful like size, and I love the dimension of the really thick like border as well. So I really like that, and they do stand on their own, so you can just leave them. Obviously on the lounge it's not going to work, but they do stand up on their own, which I do really love. They also do come in black and the oak look, and I believe they're $12 each. This item, which you can see behind me, so this is the new coatigan that they have in store. This I have definitely worn. I love it. I love the little button detail. I just had a mind blank. Button detail on the sleeve. It is so beyond soft. It is insane, the quality of this. It's quite heavy as well, but also not too over the top. But I love the color. I love everything about it. It was $40. So to me, it's obviously a little bit expensive. But in saying that, for an item of clothing like this, like, it is so stunning. It does have a tie as well, so you can tie it, but I prefer to have it like tied behind my back, which I really love that look. The actual item is upstairs, but I got it. I was so excited. It was actually my birthday and I was gifted this. I did ask for it, but I was unable to find it, but my mother-in-law did. So I was like so excited. This is exactly what I wanted for our bathroom. So for me, I do have my wedding and engagement ring in the little section, and then I have my skincare in this section. So don't be like pigeonholed into thinking this is simply just for jewelry, because it's not. I really love that. And the last thing, which is full, but I wanted to show you anyway, I picked up one of these just storage containers. They do have a lid, but obviously I'm using this as a toy box. I don't really want copious amounts of like clutter and toys and things like that, but just a little box like this I'm totally fine with. These are $7.50 and I love it. I think it's so simple and so nice. They're always in store as well, so if you are looking for stuff like this, I do prefer the plastic over like the rattan style as well, because plastic is so much easier to keep clean and it doesn't promote mold, I don't think, personally. Like, I find it would be easy to clean. So for me, I wanted something like that, and very glad to pick that up. And that is everything. So I hope you enjoyed my Kmart haul. As I said, this was like, I grabbed things over a week or so and just needed to show you what I got. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.